Right, we're on, are you? Right, I'm hoping I sound a bit better today. Got a mic. Right, I'm going to show you what we've got done. So I'll just flick it over. Right, so we got it stripped out yesterday, and well, radiator out, and we've got the timing cover. Tell you what, put the light on high. We've got the timing chain cover off, cleaned it all up, and we're in the middle of putting the cover back on. Also managed to get the speedo cable changed. I don't know if I can get down there to show you. There it is. That's the new speedo cable fitted there. It's actually a nut, that one. The old one's still lying there. It's to be taken out. So we got that done. That was quite easy to do with the radiator out. So we're come back out. We're in the middle now, putting it all back together. It's going to be fun doing the radiator, I know that. But right, anyways, we'll keep you updated. Right guys, well, that's been a fun afternoon. What should have been all back together was some 3 hours later, and all I've got done is the cover back on, and can't really see, the cover back on and bolted up, and the pulley on. Had some fun with it, just lining it all up, and then I ended up getting one of the bolts on the wrong thread. Story of my life. It's not very good picture in there, but anyways, we've got the cover back on. Fingers crossed it's not leaking. That's me main concern. I'm optimistic that it should be right. So now it's a case of getting the fan back on, radiator cowl in, all fastened in with the radiator, and coupled back up with the hoses. Starter motor to fasten up again, because I had to take the starter motor out to get to hold the teeth while I undone the pulley. Yeah, so we got there in the end. But hey, it's a mini. We do make concessions for these things. Yeah, I'm convinced they're like a bad relationship. You can't live with them, you can't live without them. I've got this leak, and I might just have found the problem. I'm gonna show you. Lights on. Right, you can actually see the oil running down there, but to get into where the time and chain cover is, you see those studs? I think they need a washer. I can't tighten them up anymore because of the back plate. I think it needs a washer to space the studs out a little bit more, and it could easily fix the problem. I would like to think so. Other job done today is K&N induction filter. Sounds nice. Yeah. So, right. Feeling positive, not negative. Right. So, I've had a bit of a fun week, if you want to call it a fun week. As I say, ended on, I think maybe something positive. I think that oil leak possibly can be easily fixed. Just need some washers on that to space it out, so that the actual stud isn't coming through and hitting the back plate, which is stopping it sealing, because that oil leak is bad. We put that jet in, well, the needle in the carb, that's no good. It wouldn't even start, so that's the wrong needle. So we need to go back and do some homework on that. We've got the K&N on. That's fitted okay. Sounds nice. But I thought, literally yesterday when I got that leak, I thought, oh, you know, I was thinking the worst. I was thinking, oh, it's going to be easier taking the engine out to sort it. But then, you know, as I say, you sit back and have a think, and I was thought, right, I'll get another timing cover, because I thought maybe that's warped. But now, just having a look now, as I say, it could be those studs are going right through, pushing against the back plate, the timing chain back plate, and keeping it from tightening down the actual cover. So, as I say, that's how we've ended this week. So that's what I'm going to try either tomorrow or Monday, and see if I can, you know, fix it easy. What we're calling an easy fix. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.